Hello kids, welcome back. How are you doing? I hope all are doing well. Okay, then today I am going to teach you about healthy habits and good habits. I know all of you good children. Okay, but you know children why you because of your good habits and good manners. Yes, healthy habits and good habits. Okay, let us revise it. Come on children, open the page number 94. Okay, that is the EVS part. Open the page number 94. Okay, then the topic is healthy habit. First one is get up early in the morning. Yes children, you should get up early in the morning. Then second, you have to brush your teeth twice daily. Daily ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬ್ರಷ್ ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Use the toilet. Take a bath daily. Okay, when you take bath daily, your body clean and neat. Drink clean water. You should drink water, clean water. Okay, then comb your hair. Apply hair oil and then comb your hair. Keep hands clean. Okay, before and after when you get the meals, then you should keep your hands clean. Eat food on time. You don't skip your breakfast, lunch. Okay, eat food on time. Yes children, this is the healthy habits. Shall I revise once again? Get up early in the morning, brush teeth twice daily. Okay, use the toilet, take a bath daily, drink clean water, comb hair. Okay, keep hands clean and eat food on time. Okay children, this is the healthy habits. Okay, when you follow the healthy habits, okay, your body neat, clean and tidy. Okay, and next is good habits. Yes, good habits, that one I will show in your textbook. Open the 95 page number. Here the topic is good habits. Okay, what is the good habits? Look at here, I will show in the textbook also some points children. Keep clothes neat and clean. Okay, keep clothes neat and clean. Your clothes must be keep the proper place and clean, neat it. Then study regularly. Whatever your teacher give the homework for you, you should study regularly. Okay, exercise daily. Okay children, you have to daily do the exercise daily. Go to school in time. Okay, go to school in time. And next is keep your books in the bag. Okay, keep your books in the bag. Play regularly. Okay, when you come to home after the school, you should play regularly. Then cut your nails regularly. Weekly once you have to cut your nails. Sleep on time. When you sleep on time, you should get up in the morning. So that's why you should sleep on time. One more time, shall I revise? Keep clothes neat and clean. You should keep the clothes yours neat and clean in the cupboard. See, the boys keep the clothes in the cupboard. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಯ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾನ ಕಬರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾನ. Yes, study regularly. Whatever your teacher gives the homework for you, you should study regularly. Daily you should study. Then exercise daily. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Daily exercise. Early in the morning you should get up. In that time you have exercise daily. Go to school on time. Okay children, when you get up in the morning, okay, and ready for the school and go to school in time. Keep your books in the bag. You should keep your books in the bag, okay? Play regularly. After school hours, you should play regularly, finishing your class. Cut your nails regularly. Weekly once you have to cut your nails regularly, okay? Then sleep on time. Okay, children? When you sleep on time, you should get up in the morning. This is the healthy habits, okay? Get up early in the morning. And this one, good habits. Healthy habits, good habits. I hope you understand about healthy habits and good habits. And turn your page, children. That is one more topic is that is the good manners. Yes, that is the good manners. You should follow the good manners. You are being very disciplined when you follow the good manners includes you. Yes, when asking, say please. When asking, say please. If anyone want to you say please. Say thank you when receiving. Say thank you when receiving. If someone give the gifts for you, you should say thank you. Yes. Then keep your hands yourself. Okay, keep your hands yourself. Next, say sorry. Something went wrong, you should say sorry. Okay, keep the things in place. Keep the things in place. Whatever the things are, you should keep the things in place. This is the good manners. Shall I revise? When asking, say please. You say please. If someone want to you, yes. Then say thank you. If someone gives the gifts for you, when you receiving, say thank you. Keep your hands yourself. Say sorry. Okay? Raise your hands. Share the things to your friends. Share the things to your friends. Yes. And good manners too. Eat politely. Okay, don't in hurry. You have to eat the food politely. Listen. If elders someone tell to you, you should listen. Okay? Do not quarrel. Okay? Your sister, your brother, when you want one thing, so you don't quarrel, jagada madbardu. Okay? Help others. If someone in your home elders, you should help elders. Okay? Follow the queue. Keep turns. Greet people. If someone comes your home, you should greet it. Okay? Please come inside. If you want water, please give it. Okay? If they want water, speak softly. Okay, children, speak softly means jagada madbardu. Neatagi saukasa matadbeku. Jagadadu madbardu. Yes, good manners, healthy habits, good habits, and good manners. I hope you understand the topic of healthy habits and good habits. Yes, till then, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.